Hey, welcome to Outdoor School at Home.
Today we're going to be unboxing the Outdoor School at Home Science.
Look at all this cool stuff. This is your field journal. It'll be your friend through all of Outdoor School at Home. You'll use it to record your observations, graph data you collect, draw pictures, and more. And this will be your Outdoor School Field Guide. It has all kinds of scientific insights about plants, animals, and fungi that we can find right here in Oregon. With this guide, you should be able to identify several different native species. A whole set of colored pencils just for you! You can add color to your journal or field guide and make it unique. Everyone at Outdoor School wears a name tag. This one is just for you. You can make it official by writing your name. I like to write my first name and last initial. Beads! Every bead is a symbol of what you learn from Outdoor School. They each mean something different and go perfectly on your name tag string. This tape measure is essential in scientific observations. You can find out the length of all sorts of things, the circumference of a tree, the depth of water, how long are those tracks of an animal. This hand lens is a super great tool to get a closer look at critters, plants, trees, your dog, and so much more. Be sure to write your observations in your field journal. This sticker has been made special just for the Springs Outdoor School students. Think carefully about where you want to stick it. It might be a collector's item someday. Wow, a measuring cup! And it has a lid. With this, you can collect all kinds of samples of things you collect in nature. It's also a great place to observe a critter you catch. You'll be practicing measuring skills at Outdoor School and throughout your life. Inside the cup is an eraser and a pencil sharpener. Those will come in handy when you write in your journal. There's also a glue stick for pasting things in your field journal. And of course, there's a pencil. You can use it for all your Outdoor School lessons. Thanks for watching me unbox this Outdoor School at Home kit.